It is March 13th. I'm heading to this restaurant. It's Whitney's Kitchen. She's on Instagram and she has a new restaurant spot in Half a Tree area. It's close to Half a Tree. It's 23 Balata Avenue. So it's my very first time. It's 2-piece day. If you know me long time, you know say a girl loves 2-piece. So we're gonna go there to get 2-piece for lunch. Let's go.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint.
So guys, I got the lunch and I got her seasoning. So definitely look out for cooking videos with it. When we reach at the office, we're gonna sample the lunch and tell you know how that go. A girl well want to stew peas with mouth her run feet, you know what? I tell you from week my feel for stew peas. From week I'm too lazy for cook it. Too lazy for cook it. So me get my stew peas. Can't wait for murder it. Watch me drive like me not see the red light. What kind of ears me in a hungry belly ears? Hungry belly ears but me not see the red light, guys. See it dark? Can't go on. Not bad. Not bad. It's not bad. It eat good. It can go on. It's not bad at all, guys. Just that the peas mash out. And I really see the peas because it kind of mash out, but it tastes good. It tastes good. Anyways, I'm gonna eat lunch and go back to the people them work. May I hope that if you're watching it at this point in time that you're not hungry, you know, that you're eating something and you're not drooling over this. Well, yeah, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if you're hungry and you're not eating. I am so sorry. It is not purpose. But you know, your girl have to show no I got. Guys, this is what's left of my lunch. Oh my god, I'm so stuffed. My ketchup and Beauty in Black. It was delicious. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So from Thursday, only not see me out here from me boy. It was busy Friday. But today is Saturday, May 15th, and I'm on my way to IP Courier to pick up some packages. Y'all, I'm so excited for this set of package. $7,000 worth. Oh my god. And it's not crisp. Guys, some mad driving for the road, you know. I'm convinced. So yeah, so it is Saturday. I'm doing my rounds. Yeah, I'm gonna make it pile up on me for Sunday. So I head to my IP Courier place to pick up the packages. Then I'm heading downtown to do some grocery shopping. And not really grocery shopping, but just to kind of top up on some meat. I want to go to the market. I need some vegetable, guys. I really and truly need to go back on my diet. My body is screaming and I can feel it. So I want to get some vegetables. I haven't been eating a lot of vegetables and I need it. because I've been constipated too frequently. I need some fiber. Yeah? TMI? What shall we just go over this? No, constipation is a serious health thing, you know. And you have to, when your constipation is a sign that you're not eating well. You're not eating a well-balanced diet. So, because I really want to lose the weight. Really want to lose some weight. January, I intended to start the gym. Although it's now March. I'm going to start the gym. But I feel like the reason why I don't start the gym because I don't have the motivation. I don't want to waste my money. I need to start, get up in the mornings like what I used to do and walk in my apartment complex and do my little 5 o'clock walk, my little exercise that I used to watch on YouTube. I need to get, when I'm into that motion and serious, then I can say, alright, I'm going to go to the gym. But girl, I'm not going to the gym right now. So that is it in today's vlog. But I have nothing new to tell you now. I have disappointing news, guys. Yeah. Disappointing news. The people them remark the paper and them say I fail. They only increase the grade by 0.2. 0.2. So most people was saying, oh, when you do remark, they don't generally pass you. And my husband was saying, yeah, they're not going to pass it because if they should pass you, they're going to admit that the lecturer made a mistake and they don't want to highlight that. So yeah, so the people them say, yeah, I fail. So, no graduation for this year. And I have to redo that course. So I'm going to have to redo it in summer. And may I pray to God for divine mercies. Oh Jesus. I know guys, I can't understand how, but people them say that. So I have nothing else. I don't know what else to do for fight. So I just have to reset it because I need to be out of there. I need to be down. Some should I go that way there. But don't this always have some little backlog of traffic. But yeah guys, so that is it for today. Oh guys, did I tell y'all to follow me? I have created a new Instagram account and a new TikTok account. And those accounts is really for my wig influencing journey. So I started over those social media platforms because the niche wasn't niching and my videos weren't getting the traction that I wanted on my old TikTok. So I decided to, let's start fresh. So guys, if you want to follow me over there, it's Vibe with Hemprezz at TikTok and Instagram. I'm gonna put it down and in the description. So guys, please follow me over there and engage with my content. Thank you. And I will see you later. I'm not even gonna carry it through downtown and all of that because I don't know how done this to go. Alright guys, so I just leave the market. It is boiling hot outside hot, the heat turn up. So I go wholesale. I'm now leaving the market. I have to go to the supermarket, but I'm not gonna go there till later down when he gets to school. So we're gonna go home and then I'm going to show you what I got.
Put it in the center there.
Okay. Alright guys, so these are the stuff that I got at the market. Can you imagine all of these? I spent like, yes, I spent almost $4,000. Yeah, $4,000 on the fruit. So I got 5 apples. I got some skin. I got melon. got some ripe bananas. If you know, you know. So them ripe banana these ripe bananas are the best. Not the same here bananas. Them banana when them fully ripe, sweet. We got banana. We got some oranges, $1,000. I got some peas, some seasoning. I got some scallion and thyme, $200. I got cabbage, $120 a pound for the cabbage. I got some pumpkin and chocho. Don't remember much for that. I got some onions, some purple onions. I got cauliflower, $200 a pound. I got sweet pepper. I think I got this for $200. For 200. I got tomatoes, $100 a pound. I got some pak choy, $100 bag. I got some papaya, $200 a pound. So I got a lot of fruits. And I got some string bean, $200 a pound. I didn't get any carrots. I never like how the carrot them is. The Irish potato, $200 a pound. Yeah. And that is that for the market stuff, because I have other stuff. Yeah, for the wholesale, the meat shop, I got these stuff at the meat shop, the coconut milk, the cooking oil. I got this. I got hand towel. I got tissue. I got 6 of these tissues. Then yeah, I got 6 tissues. And these are the meats that I got. Fish and the mutton. I always tell them to say the meat fresh. I got 2 pounds of oxtail. Guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.